The smoothest, silkiest, non-grainy chocolate buttercream recipe is finally here. Hey guys, I'm Chef Kirti and welcome to the brand new episode of Bake Along with Kirti Labra. Today we are going to make the easiest chocolate buttercream that you guys will never ever replace. So your search for the best buttercream literally ends here. Unlike the American style buttercream, which I feel is a lot sweeter and grainy for the Indian palate, I wanted to share a recipe that is pleasing to the taste buds. This one requires only 4 ingredients and can be made under 5 minutes. Too good to be true, right? So, without wasting any more time, let's begin with the recipe. The number one rule for any buttercream is that you must always use softened butter. Your butter should be squishy on touch, which makes it easy to whip. So, with the help of an electric hand beater, we are going to whisk the butter until it turns pale and fluffy. This process should take about a minute if you are using soft butter. As you can see, our butter is nice pale and creamy now. It's time to add the one ingredient that is going to provide not only sweetness but also rich chocolatey flavor. I'm sure you have already guessed, it's the dark Belgian chocolate. Here we are using melted chocolate which is at room temperature. Be sure not to use very hot chocolate as that can melt the whipped butter. So our chocolate is in. We are going to give this a good mix and then add in the remaining 2 ingredients. I hope you guys can see how luscious and shiny this buttercream is looking. Lastly, we'll add the remaining 2 ingredients, that is salt and cocoa powder, which will help us in bringing out the chocolate flavor. Next, for the cocoa powder, I'm going to use a small sieve to sift it into the buttercream. This will prevent any lumps in our frosting. Now, all we have to do is simply combine the cocoa into the frosting. And with this, our chocolate buttercream is ready. As you can see, it's super shiny and stable, which makes it perfect for your cakes, cupcakes, and even frosted cookies. I hope you guys do try out this recipe and share your experience in the comment section.